are in Ward 93 with Councillor Pimpy, community leaders and the community. We are going to start our volunteer community firefighting program. We would today like to hand over 30 fire extinguishers as well as 10 first aid kits and 10 reflector jackets to be used by the community in the teams that they have formed to protect the high-risk informal settlements. We are training all of you, so if it's needed and you have to take the fire extinguisher to go and kill a fire, you know how to operate it. For the last 4 months in Cape Town now, we're looking at 4,500 to 5,000 houses that burned down.
My name is Tando Pimpy. I'm the Ward Councillor of Ward 93. I want to thank the boss of Atlantic by handing over to our communities because we had a lot of challenges of fire in our informal settlement.